Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to another video. If you have not already watched my wardrobe decluttering video, that was the previous video to this one, and it will help make a lot more sense of today's video, where I am, why all the clothes are out on the rails, and get you ready for today's video, which is going to be a wardrobe reorganization video. So I'm going to be popping everything that I've taken out of my wardrobe and decluttered back into my wardrobe to make it lovely and aesthetic and easy to find and easy to get dressed every day. I don't want you to be in a situation where you have lots of clothes but you have nothing to wear, because that is the worst feeling. Trust me, I know, I've been there a number of times. So with a wardrobe reorganization, it's so important to get everything out of your wardrobe to begin with. Go and watch the decluttering video and declutter those items from your wardrobe that no longer serve you. Then you can have a fresh start and replenish your wardrobe with these beautiful pieces that you wish to keep and wish to wear more and more. And your wardrobe is going to be so much easier to navigate. So let's start by doing a bit of a reorganization. Now, I'm a little bit sad because I've ordered some new hangers which haven't arrived yet, so I'm not going to be able to put all the items on new hangers today, but I will do that another time and I'll share it with you in my Instagram stories if you are interested in seeing that. I highly recommend investing in some slimmer hangers. For example, these ones. So these are just felt hangers. They are really, really slim and they will let you have a lot more space in your wardrobe. I also have wooden hangers, these white ones. These are triple the width of the other hangers, so it does mean that you can get less in your wardrobe. So definitely, top tip, invest in some felt thin hangers for wardrobe reorganizations. So I'm going to start by reorganizing this part of my wardrobe. This is the slimmest part, and this is where I generally hope to organize my coats and also a couple bags and shoes. So let's get started. Now, the way that I am going to organize things is I am going to go from dark to light, working backwards, and I'm going to go from short to long, working backwards as well. So by this I mean I'm going to take this long black wool coat and pop it at the very end of my wardrobe. So this is the furthest item away, and then I'm going to work forwards in terms of length and also in terms of lightness and construct my wardrobe in that way. So next I've got this navy coat from Zara. Do the same thing for this wardrobe with the remaining pieces of clothing, and I'm going to be organising them by jackets, knitwear, tops, trousers and other things that I come across. So these are the clothes reorganized. I, as you can see, have the biggest section of knitwear on the top here. I've gone from cardigans to jumpers in order of their colour. I've then got trousers here at the end, again from dark to light. I've then got my going out and kind of formal jackets at the bottom. Blazers from dark to light. I've got blouses and shirts here. I've got stripes, and then I've got basic t-shirts and vests at the end here. So that is my clothing complete. Gonna go ahead and conclude today's video, guys. I really hope you found this one helpful. As I say, if I had my new hangers, I would have popped them all on my new hangers as well, but I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you found it inspiring. I hope you watched the decluttering video as well, and you get to see the full picture of how I've decluttered and reorganized my wardrobe. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a big old thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll be back really soon for a new video. Bye!